So Param made a tweet not bigger than an hour ago concerning their launching. They says Param launch is near May 29th. Mark the date, 8 a.m. UTC. Param will be listed on multiple exchanges. Keep an eye out as we begin to announce our listing partner. So Param actually made a tweet asking us to mark our dates about their listing on 29th, which is a very good news for those of us that actually participated in Param airdrop, because I am making videos a couple of months ago about Param airdrop, updating people about connecting your wallet, doing all the things that is required. So in today's video, what we are going to look at in this video is what to expect, the things you need to do, the things you need to make sure you do in few hours coming to make sure that you don't lose your Param points. And also tell me in the comment section how many points did you manage to get in your Param account, and if you have successfully linked your wallet address, I want to know in the comment section. So try and tell me why you subscribe to the channel. If this is your first time coming over to my YouTube channel, welcome to ZBK Crypto. My name is Zubi King and this is ZBK Crypto, where I share updates on how to make free money, especially in crypto space and in airdrop hunting space. So if you like what I'm doing, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel for more updates, and join my WhatsApp group for more updates before even coming to YouTube. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon when you subscribe. So let's dive into the main video of the day. So on my WhatsApp group, after I've posted about the Yam airdrop, which we actually participated and it cooked, although it didn't give us bigger amounts because we didn't play the game and it didn't list with bigger coin, but at least it listed with something and some of us actually earned from it. So I actually made a post on my WhatsApp group again, show you guys to go and complete the last task in Param airdrop. So we actually completed it and it went well. So this is another post which I made on my WhatsApp group telling you guys to go ahead and connect your wallet. Try your best to connect your wallet now, because soon you are not going to do it, and I believe a lot of people took advantage of that information, and that is one reason I have to tell you guys, try your best to join my WhatsApp group in the description of this video below, the description below in this video, so that you'll be getting update from me even before coming to YouTube. So the last post I made on my WhatsApp group is about this particular thing that they says in their Discord handle. They talk about how to be eligible for Param airdrop. So this is one interesting part about the whole video. They says for those in claiming their potential airdrop, interested in claiming their potential airdrop, you must connect your EVM wallet to paramgaming.com if you haven't done so already. And today is the last day. Today being 29th of May is the last day to connect your wallet. So they say in snapshot for eligible participants will be taken in 20 hours coming. That is when they made the post. Now they says in additionally, to be eligible for Param airdrop, you must have at least 17.5k Param points. That is one big news and one big important information you need to shake in your account to want you to know if you're actually going to make something from Param airdrop. It says for those who have few points, that you still have time to earn more points and completing tasks. Many tasks will be added in the coming days, so you still have chance. Lastly, please know that Param points will have additional utility beyond this initial airdrop. Last day to connect airdrop is today. That is one big news about this Param airdrop. Now back to Param home. As you can see, this is my account. I've logged in with my Twitter account as usual, and if you click on this particular place, you see that I've linked my wallet address. This is my MetaMask account. I linked it, and this is my Twitter handle. So if you go over to my account, you see that I managed to get, although I didn't actually take the farming serious, I just completed tasks, do some referrals and all these things, but this is it. I actually made earned 20,923 Param points, which marks me eligible according to what they said in their Discord handle. So as you can see, this is it, and I've already completed all the tasks which was given to us, the last task which I actually posted about in my WhatsApp group. Okay, I think there are more tasks for me to complete, so I'm going to complete all these tasks after recording this video and show it to you guys. So this is it. I just want to show you guys what you need to know about Param airdrop, for how to be eligible, when to list, and the next information which is going to be done. So if you like the information about Param and if you want to be knowing more about the procedure and the processes and everything that have happened in Param airdrop, consider subscribing to my channel and join me on WhatsApp group. Try your best to turn on the bell icon if you have subscribed to the channel, and drop a like if you understand and got value from this video. With this I said, see you guys on my next video, as I don't want this video to be very long, and stay tuned. My name still remains Zubi King and this is ZBK Crypto. See you guys, bye.